Hi, my name is Karen, and if you click on this video, welcome. On today's video, I'm going to talk about the color wheel and how this color wheel can help us to pick outfits and accessories that complement each other. So if you want to hear more, stay here with me. I have already talked a lot about the color wheel and how to use it on my previous video. So if you want to check it out, just take a look on my channel because I teach you step by step how you can use the color wheel on my previous video. So today I'm just going to give you a quick review of everything that I spent more than 30 minutes on my previous video teaching you. First of all, the color wheel that you see here was invented by Isaac Newton between the years of 1665 and 1666. And the color wheel is used to mix and match different color combinations. You can see here that we have 12 different colors in this color wheel here. Half of the colors here are the warm colors, and we have several different shades of red, orange, and yellow. On the other half of the wheel, we have the cool colors, and on the cool colors we have different shades of purples, blues, and greens. We also see that here we have the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. The primary colors are three different colors: blue, red, and yellow. And they are called primary colors because they cannot be made by mixing any other color. We also have the secondary colors. There are other three colors: green, orange, and violet. And the secondary colors are made by mixing two of the primary colors together. We also have the tertiary colors that are the 6 remaining colors that we see on the color wheel, and they are blue-green, blue-violet, red-orange, red-violet, yellow-green, and yellow-orange. And the tertiary colors are made by mixing one primary color and one secondary color together. Let's talk a little bit about the color harmony now. What is color harmony? Color harmony is an arrangement of colors that go very well together. And when we talk about color harmony, we're going to take a look at this other side of the wheel here. Here we can see, first of all, that the first line shows us what is called hue. Hue means pure color, color that haven't been diluted with any other color. On the second line, we are going to have what's called the tint. The tint is when we mix any hue or pure color with white. If we mix it with gray, we are going to have the tone instead. And if we mix the hue with black, we are going to have what's called shade. Now that we have reviewed all that, let's start. I would like to mention a couple of things about all the clothes and also accessories that you're seeing in this video. First of all is that no company paid me anything to come here to YouTube and talk about these things. And also, I did not receive any item as a gift. I don't have any partnership or sponsorship with any of the companies that you're going to see here. So all opinions are my own. And the second thing is that most of these clothes and accessories that you're seeing here were bought a long time ago, and they just belong to my personal closet. So unfortunately, I believe most of these items are already sold out. But anyway, the intention of this video is not to motivate you to buy whatever thing you're going to see here. It's just that you can see my items in the colors that I decided to mix and match and use them as an inspiration to shop your own closet and see what you have and how you can mix and match all the things you already own in your closet without the need to buy anything. That being said, I am going to list the items that I can still find online down below, and if I can't find the exactly item, I'm going to try to find something similar, just in case you really can't live without it, okay? This red top you see is made from silk, and it's from White House Black Market. So I'm going to start showing you an example of a monochromatic look. I decided to pick an all blue outfit. So I am really wearing blue head to toe. Both my shirt, shorts, and shoes are all in the same tone of blue. One advantage of wearing the same color is that it elongates the silhouette, especially for short women like me. So if you want to look a little taller, that's one strategy that can be used to achieve that goal. I'm going to show you now some details of my accessories. So I have here blue earrings. I also have a blue ring, and I have a blue shoe that is a perfect match to the tee and the shorts that I'm wearing today. All this blue outfit you have just seen, both the top, the shorts, and the shoes are from a brand called White House Black Market. And the earrings are from Pandora. The earrings are made of silver and the little blue stone is a topaz. The second outfit that I picked is also an example of a monochromatic look. This time I also picked a blue outfit, but I decided to play a little bit with textures and patterns. Like for example, I'm wearing this shirt here that has different tints, tones, and shades of the same color of blue. And my skirt is made of a suede leather. Now I chose an example of an analogous color combination. Analogous color appear side by side on the color wheel. So here I have a yellow-orange dress that I'm wearing, and to complement this, I decided to pick some accessories that have the blue-green color. So I'm going to show you some details now so that you can see. And also my scarf has several different shades of yellow, yellow-green, yellow-orange. So all of these are analog colors on the color wheel. I will show you now some details of my accessories too. So I'm wearing a necklace that has the blue-green color on it. Same thing on my ring. My ring also has the blue-green hue. And also on my bracelet that has a little detail of some teal blue-green color on it. The yellow dress you have just seen was bought at Walmart, and it's from a collection called Sofia Vergara. It's made of linen and viscose. The little scarf that you saw on my hair is made of 100% silk, and believe it or not, it was bought at Shein. All the jewelry you see is from Tiffany, but my ring is from Pandora. Another outfit here with the color yellow to show you now. But this time I'm going to show you an example of an outfit using complementary colors. Complementary colors are the colors that are opposite in the color wheel. So here I have a yellow-orange silk top, and on the bottom I'm wearing some blue-violet jeans. So as you can see, the colors yellow and blue really go well together. And the reason why they go so well together is because they are complementary colors. In other words, they are opposite colors on the color wheel. I'm going to show you now a close-up of the accessories that I'm wearing. The accessories that I'm wearing are gold tone earrings and also a gold tone necklace and a gold tone ring with a kind of yellowish stone on it. I think when you are wearing warm colors like yellow-orange, if you wear them with gold accessories, it looks a lot better. The yellow silk blouse that you saw is made of 100% silk, and it's from a brand called White House Black Market. The blue jeans that I'm wearing are also from White House Black Market. Now the jewelry, the necklace, the gold necklace is from a brand called Oradina. The earrings, I don't know from where they are because I got them as a gift. And the gold ring that I'm wearing is from Pandora. Now I'm going to show you an example of a triadic color combination. In a triadic color combination, we are always going to have 3 different colors. In this case, I decided to pick one dominant color. And the color that I picked as dominant is this purple dress here. And as accent colors, I decided to go with a green bag that I also added a green scarf with several tones of violet on it. And also some jewelry that I have on me that has orange colors. I'm gonna get a little closer so that you can see my jewelry details now. As earrings, I decided to pick this orange, kind of yellow-orange color earring. That's a perfect match to my necklace, which is this orange, kind of yellow stone too. It's a citrine. And also this bracelet here, which has the same orange yellow tone to it. And I also picked this handbag that is green. And I think these 2 colors go very well together. I also added this little scarf as an accent to my bag that also brings again the colors of purple and green. So here we have it. We have a triadic color combination that has purple, green, and kind of orange. The purple dress you have just seen is all made of linen and the lining is made of cotton. And I also got it at Shein. My leather green bag that you saw is from Michael Kors. And the little silk scarf that you saw on my bag is made of 100% silk and was also bought at Shein. The jewelry, I'm sorry, but I have no memory where I got it. Now let's see an example of an outfit that has the split complementary color combination. The split complementary color combination has 3 colors and it forms a skinny triangle, which is an isosceles triangle. I have picked my 3 colors as orange as my dominant color, and also I decided to put some accessories in the colors green and also blue. So let's take a look at my accessories now. I have this red-orange dress here. I decided to pair it with some green earrings and a green necklace. And also, let me show you my shoes. I have these blue shoes here to go with the outfit. My orange dress that you have just seen is all made of linen and lined in cotton and is from Shein, exactly like my previous purple dress. I bought 2 different colors. And my shoes are from White House Black Market. The jewelry, I have no idea. Now I'm getting even more colorful. I decided to pick an outfit which is a tetradic outfit because it has 4 different colors and all of them appear in the shape of a rectangle in the color wheel. So I have a red-violet top, also a blue-violet shorts, a yellow-green little scarf that I decided to tie on my neck, and also a bag which is yellow-orange. As accessories, I'm wearing a little ring which has all the colors of my outfit, and my earrings this time are yellow, just to give a little hint of another color. And this is the bag that I decided to wear with this outfit, which is a color that is like a yellow-orange kind of luggage color. My violet top is from White House Black Market. My cotton navy shorts are from Loft. And the little silk scarf that you see tied on my neck is made of 100% silk and it's from Shein. The leather bag that I'm wearing is from Michael Kors. And the jewelry, I have no idea. This is the last outfit that I want to share with you, and it has a tetradic color combination. So we are going to have 4 different colors again, but this time these 4 different colors are going to appear in a square shape on the color wheel. I decided to pick only 2 dominant colors for this outfit. So I have the first one, which is this top here, that has several different shades on it, but it has a lot of yellow green on it, and my shorts, which are blue. The other colors, I decided to put them in my accessories. So I have this earring here that has lots of the colors that you're gonna see on my outfit. It has purple colors, has blue, orange, green, and the same thing here on my ring. It has several colors that you see on my outfit too. I also have some shades of orange both on my shoes, as you can see here. That's kind of an orange tone, and also on my bag. As you can see here is also an orange color. So as you could notice in most of my colorful outfits, when we have lots of color in the same outfit, it's always a good idea to have a ratio in the colors. So the ratio that I try to follow is 80% of a dominant color and about 20% maybe of the other colors, or 70% of a dominant color and the other 30% of the remaining colors. When we follow this ratio, instead of using 50% of one color and 50% of the other, or if we have 4 colors, 25% of each, I think it looks better on the eyes. It's not as harsh, and I think for fashion it works a lot better. Some companies do tend to divide the color, like for example, if they have 4 colors in their logo, to put 25% of each color on their logo, like Microsoft does, for example. But I believe when it's about fashion, it's better to pick 1 or at most 2 dominant colors, and then the other colors can be just accent colors. So that's my tip. I hope you have enjoyed everything as much as I enjoyed recording it today. My green top is made of silk and I got it at Shein. So far, you see, Shein also has really nice stuff made of high quality materials. It's not just about junk. My blue shorts are from White House Black Market. My leather bag is from Michael Kors, and the orange kind of luggage color shoes are from a brand called Echo. The colorful earrings that I showed you, I got them during a trip that I took to Juneau, which is the capital of Alaska. I got it in one of those little shops that they have there. Unfortunately, I do not remember the name of the shop. Well, if you stayed here with me in this video until the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you liked this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel because it's really helpful to me. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye! Just take a look at all these outfit changes that I needed to separate just to record the video you have just watched today. So tell me if I deserve or not a like. Hello, my name is Chili. And if you liked Mama's video, please like and subscribe. Say bye, Chili. Bye-bye.